Hello friends, in the previous video we have discussed the concept of matrices and how to formulate the matrix with given information. In today's video we are going to discuss about different types of matrices. Let's start with the recap. In previous video we have studied that matrix is a rectangular array or the arrangement of numbers. That means जब हम लोग numbers को rectangular आयताकार arrange करते हैं और उसके बाद में जो नंबर का अरेंजमेंट हमें मिलता है उसे हम लोग मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं. लाइक एंड वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस आल्सो दैट द डायमेंशन ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स इज 2/3 where 2 denote 2 is the number of rows in the matrix and 3 is the number of column and we calls it m by n. Then even we have discussed that each element have two indices. First we represent it with aij. I is denote the number of row in which that particular element is situated and j will denote the number of column in which that particular element is situated. Here if suppose we take 3 element, then the index or indices of this particular matrix or the position of this particular element will be A1 as it is situated in first row and 2 as it is situated in second column. So the position of this 3 or the indices of 3, this particular number 3 is A12. Now we are going to discuss the different types of matrices. The first type is singleton matrix. Singleton, as the name denote, as the name says that singleton, if there is only single element in a matrix, that means if suppose the matrix contain if suppose this is the matrix, then this is what the singleton matrix. As in this matrix we have only one element. Then the second type is row and column matrix. If suppose in a row matrix there will be only one row elements, that means the number of row will be 1 but the number of columns can be any number, can be of any number. Like we will like 2, 3, 1. Here we have 1 row and 3 column. The dimension of this matrix will be 1/3. Then next, the column matrix. The same, if in this column matrix, if suppose the number of, if in a matrix the number of column is 1, the elements of column is 1 and the number of rows can be of any number, then this is called the column matrix. This will be A, B, C. Here the number of column will be 1 but the number of row is 3. The dimension of this matrix will be 3/1. The next type is zero matrix. Zero matrix, if suppose in a m/2, m/n dimension matrix, if all elements are 0, then this kind of matrix is called zero matrix. The example of this matrix is this, like this. It can be of, in this 2/3 dimension matrix, all elements are 0. That's why this matrix is called zero matrix or null matrix. Even if suppose in question 0 is written, then you must understand with this 0 that this is showing, this is depicting the zero matrix. Next, the equivalent matrix. two matrices A and B are said to be equivalent if both matrices are of same dimension. Like if suppose first matrix is of 2 by 3, then the second matrix must be of 2 by 3. Then this will call the equivalent matrix. So, for example, with dimension 2 by 3 and B with dimension 2 by 3 are equivalent matrix. The next type is equal matrix. Two matrices said to be equal if not only the dimension of matrix are equal but also their corresponding elements are also equal. So, if suppose the A matrix is X, Y, Z and A minus 1 and the another matrix is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we can say if suppose equal to sign is mentioned in between these two matrices, then this is called equal matrix. Equal matrix means here X will be equal to 2, Y will be equal to 3, Z will be equal to 4 and A minus 1 will be equal to 5. By solving this A minus 1, we will get even the value of A, that A will be equal to 6. So, equal matrix are those matrices whose dimension are same as well as their corresponding elements are also equal. Next is a square matrix. If in a matrix number of rows and number of columns are equal, then this is called square matrix. For example, if suppose 1 and 2, in this the dimension of this matrix is 1 by 1, then the dimension of this matrix is 1 by 1, then these are square matrix. Same way, if suppose 2, 3, 1, 4, the dimension of this matrix is 2 by 2, that means number of row is 2 and number of column is also 2, then this is also called square matrix. And if suppose 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 7, 4, 3, 2, here the number of row is 3 and number of column is also 3, both are equal, that's why this matrix is also called square matrix. If dimension is not equal, like the matrix with 2 by 3 dimension will not be the square matrix. Then next, अब हम लोग आगे जो भी टाइप्स पढ़ने वाले हैं ना, वो सारे के सारे टाइप्स जो हैं that will somehow related with the square matrix or the extension of the square matrix. First one is diagonal matrix. तो square matrix in which a square matrix यानी कि matrix with the same dimension, the matrix with the same number of rows and column. So in a square matrix in which all non-diagonal elements are 0 and all diagonal elements have some value, consist some value, is called diagonal matrix. So for example, if suppose let's take 2 by 2 matrix. Let's take 2 by 2 matrix. Let's take 2 by 2 matrix. If suppose all diagonal element have some value and non-diagonal elements are 0, then this is what? Diagonal matrix. The most important thing is that the diagonal element which will have some value will be of A11 position, A22 position, A33 position. ठीक है, रिवर्स मत कर देना. ठीक है, तो लाइक इफ इसकी जो पोजीशन है दैट इज A11, इसकी जो पोजीशन है दैट इज A22, तो डायगोनल विल बी ऑफ द डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स which have the same I and j indices will have value in this diagonal element, a diagonal matrix. Same way, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0. In this square matrix also, the diagonal value, the diagonal elements have some value and non-diagonal elements are 0. Then this is also called diagonal matrix. Then next, scalar matrix, a diagonal matrix in which all non-diagonal elements are 0. As this is the property of diagonal na, that all non-diagonal elements are 0. If in all non-diagonal elements are 0 but all diagonal elements have the same value, like if all diagonal value have a constant value k, or will have the value 2, then this is what the scalar matrix. So if the example of this will be k, and k. So here the diagonal elements are equal in this square matrix. This can even this is also the scalar matrix. The next type is identity or unit matrix. As the name mentioned, that here again, as I have told you that these all are the extension of diagonal matrix. So diagonal matrix means all non-diagonal elements will be 0, but here in this identity matrix all diagonal elements are valued as 1. So if all diagonal elements are 1 in a diagonal matrix, if all diagonal elements are equal to 1 is called identity or unit matrix. इसे हम लोग represent करते हैं I से. If suppose question में the mention is I, that solve 2a plus 3i. So here with I, you must understand that I here is the identity matrix with the same dimension as the I have, with the same dimension which the A have. Then next is the triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. The triangular matrix can be divided into two parts, upper triangular and the lower triangular matrix. The triangular matrix in which the diagonal matrix will be there. That means all the diagonal elements have some value. Now upper triangular will be the matrix in which the upper elements are also have some value. So if suppose in a square matrix all the above elements have some value, which is suppose this is ABC and 2, 3, 4. Then this is what the upper triangular matrix in which the above diagonal elements are also non-zero. Then the next is lower triangular matrix. So here the lower triangular matrix is a diagonal matrix in which the lower diagonal elements also have some value. To here the same way the upper element will be 0 but the lower element will have some value. So this is called the lower triangular matrix. Then the next is transpose matrix. We denote the transpose matrix with A, T, A small t, A bar, A dash. ठीक है. So the point is the transpose matrix is the matrix which we obtain by change the rows into the column and columns into the row. Here that means if suppose the matrix is of m by n dimension, then in transpose matrix we will get the matrix with the dimension n by m. So let's take an example. If suppose the matrix is this matrix have, if suppose A is equals to this matrix and the dimension of this matrix is 3 by 2. Now the transpose matrix, in the transpose matrix, row will become column and column will become rows. So here what I will do now, I will arrange this column, this row as a column like 2 and 3, 1, 0. The first row will become the first column, the second row will become the second column, and the third row will become the third column, and this transpose will be resulted into a matrix with dimension 2 by 3. Then next type is symmetric matrix. So symmetric matrix is a square matrix in which A will be equal to A transpose. Now let's make the symmetric matrix. As this particular equation is showing that A will be equal to A transpose. That means when we will interchange the row into column and column into row, then we will get the same matrix as the previous one. So in that, if suppose this matrix is here, okay, then if suppose first column in A transpose, this is the A matrix and this is the A transpose matrix. So in this matrix, if suppose we do the transpose, then first column will become the first row. So first column will become the first row. That means what, कि अगर मुझे ऐसी मैट्रिक्स चाहिए जो कि A और A ट्रांसपोज के A और A ट्रांसपोज इक्वल हो, तो मुझे ये एलिमेंट और ये एलिमेंट सेम रखना होगा, ये एलिमेंट और ये एलिमेंट सेम रखना होगा. सेम वे अगर मैं इसका ट्रांसपोज करूं तो यहाँ XYZ जो भी एलिमेंट होता, लाइक अब मैं यहाँ इसे रिप्लेस कर देती हूँ. दैट मीन्स मुझे यहाँ ये रखना होगा, ठीक है, ये सेम रखना होगा. और अब सपोज मैं इसका ट्रांसपोज करती हूँ तो देन दिस विल बिकम ट्रायंगल B and then square. That means what, कि this square value must be here. Now what I will do, I will place some value here. So that means to get a symmetric matrix, these two must be of same, these two must be of same, these two must have the same element. Now I compose the symmetric matrix, that A, B, C, then 2, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 3. Now if we do the transpose of this matrix, then I will get A, first column will become first row A2 3, second column will become second row 2B4, and third column will become third row, and I will get the same matrix. Then the last one is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix is also a square matrix, but in which A is equals to minus A transpose, यानी कि A का transpose करने पर you must get the value, you must get the negative value, where A and तो that means कहीं ना कहीं ये symmetric matrix से related है. तो the point is that यहाँ बीच वाले जो A B C एलिमेंट है, जो डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स हैं, उनका क्या, क्योंकि डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स की वैल्यूज चेंज नहीं हो रही थी, उनकी पोजीशन चेंज नहीं हो रही थी. तो यहाँ पर हमें कोई ऐसी वैल्यूज प्लेस करनी होगी जिनका विच हैव प्लस एज वेल एज माइनस वैल्यू. तो yes, we have a number, a element which we consider as a positive also and as a negative also, which is 0. That means here we will replace A, B, C with the 0. Now we know कि हमें क्या चाहिए, A transpose, A will be equal to minus A transpose. A transpose जब हम उसका ट्रांसपोज करें तो नेगेटिव वैल्यू मिलनी चाहिए. अब क्या होगा, हम जब ट्रांसपोज करते हैं तो एट दैट टाइम सपोज यहाँ 2 है, तो मैं चाहती हूं कि यहाँ आने पर, ट्रांसपोज होने पर वो माइनस हो जाए. तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसकी जो वैल्यूज रिप्लेस हो रही थी, एक को मैं पॉजिटिव मार्क करूंगी, एक को मैं पॉजिटिव वैल्यू असाइन करूंगी और एक को मैं नेगेटिव वैल्यू जो है वो असाइन करूंगी. तो ये आपस में रिप्लेस हो रही थी. मान लीजिए अगर मैं यहाँ -3 असाइन कर रही हूं तो ये -3 रिप्लेस हो रहा था इससे, तो मैं यहाँ +3 असाइन कर दूंगी. एंड इफ सपोज यहाँ मैं 7 असाइन कर रही हूँ तो यहाँ मैं -7 असाइन कर दूंगी. अब मान लीजिए दिस इज माई मैट्रिक्स A. नाउ लेट्स डू द A transpose. Then the first column will become the first row, which is 0, 2, -3, -2, 0, 7. Then third column will become the third row, 3, -7 and 0. Now have a look के जैसे ही हमने A ट्रांसपोज किया तो A ट्रांसपोज करते ही देखिए मुझे A की नेगेटिव वैल्यू जो है, यानी कि A मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस करूं तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा, 0 विल रिमेन 0. देन -2 की जगह 2 आ गया है, 3 की जगह -3 आ गया है, 2 की जगह -2 आ गया है. दैट मीन्स वी कैन से दैट दिस मैट्रिक्स इज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स वेयर A is equals to -A transpose. Thank you.